In this movie, I will show you how to get started with Sayl Resto. In this movie, we will do two things. First, I will show you the Sayl admin or back office. Secondly, I will show you the Sayl Store Manager app, which can be downloaded on your mobile in the App Store and Play Store, or just via your web browser and just going to this address. But we'll start with the back office, so let's go to that. So let's go to admin.sayl.cloud. So I will type that. Okay. And I need to enter an email address and a password. So I have the email address is this one. And then I'll take the password. Okay. I'll put it in here. Okay. And click here. I need to accept that I'm going to log in. So I need to click here. All right, so let's, for example, I'm now in the back office. So I'm in the dashboard and I see a number of KPIs, etc. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we go to the orders. So let's check the orders. And here you see all the orders that are have been done. Obviously, at this moment there are a lot of test orders. I have deleted them as they are of no use. I can click on an order like this. I see what has been ordered. Okay, I can see where it is ordered, how late, etc. Who was the customer, etc. And how it is paid. So cash means it is paid when the customer comes pick it up. I can click on the customer, like just click here, and I go to the customer detail screen. So some information about this customer, etc. In the menu of the back office, you see a lot of links, but you can safely ignore them. You only have to concentrate on the orders part. Then there's this shop icon where you find all your menus, the products, modifiers that you can use, and then you have some settings. So let's first go to the settings. So let's go to the shop. You have only one shop, which is normal. Let's click here. And I have filled in everything. So the name of the shop, some description, currency, language, so the payment methods, the language. So you don't need to do anything here. I put some logos and banners, so no work for you here. So the only thing is that, very important for you, so there's a click and collect. There's a delivery, currently not enabled. We will enable it when you're ready. You don't do order at the table, and virtual is for gift cards. So click and collect. Currently people can order all the time, like they wake up at 3 a.m. in the morning and they can already order, but they can only pick it up at the moments that you have put in the preparation location. So let's go to there. So the preparation location is basically your kitchen. And here again we find the click and collect and the delivery. So let's click on click and collect, and you recognize your opening hours. So for example, Monday from this to this, and you have a second slot, so from 5 p.m. until almost midnight. And this for Tuesday it's the same, Thursday, Friday, etc, etc, right? Okay. Now imagine that you want to add a closing day. How you do that? So you just go to the shop level and imagine you're not open on the 1st of January. So let's go to takeaway, and I'm on the takeaway tab. If I go to the bottom, there's like exception on normal daytime. So I can, for example, say the 1st of January from 0 to the 1st, but until the end of the day, which is this, should be denied. People should not be allowed to order. So okay, and I can save that. All right, so that's adding closing days. Now let's see if there's something else here. So we went to the shops, everything has been set correctly, so no work for you. Preparation location, everything has been set for you. Also all the other options, I mean, everything has been set correctly. So we will concentrate on first the catalog, so which is basically your menu, and a menu has categories, so you recognize all the categories, so that's good. Okay, then within each category you can, like, I can click here, this pop-up opens up and you recognize all the pizzas that you have. I added products simply by typing names, and I can click them to add them in the menu. I'm here in the large pizza, so I'm not going to add these medium pizzas, of course. So let's move this away. If you say, hey, I want to reorder some products, I want that another positioning. So let's say Michelangelo, it should be before Napoli. How do you do that? Just click here, 3 buttons, reorder, drag and drop. Okay, now, and don't forget to confirm. This is important, don't click just here, you need to confirm here. All right, okay, it has been saved. Let's save for certainty. Okay, so let's go back in the large pizzas just to be to check if everything is correct. Indeed, Michelangelo is now before the Napoli pizza. Okay, you can add descriptions to any of the categories that will then be shown on the website. I didn't do that. I did add an image on each category. So if you click here, you see these pictures. Where do you find your web shop? You can click here at the top. You click here, you have only one web shop. Click here, take away, and you can click, you can also click this. Okay, so you recognize the images that I put on the categories. So, okay. If you say, hey, I want another image for example, the menus, okay, that can be done. Just go to catalogs, just go to menus, for example. You see here the category image. You can remove it by clicking here on the X, and then you will have the option to upload another image. Don't forget to save, and that's it. It's not rocket science. All right. So so you can also reorder the categories if you think like, hey, medium should be before large. So you can simply like drag and drop again. I will not change it for now. I will just leave it like it was. Okay. Then for the products, let's go to, for example, I created a lot of products, and you have a lot of products, right? You can search on a product. I just type at the top. Okay, Napo, I don't need to type it all. I just type a part of it and it shows me 2 matches. So let's click on medium. Let's say I want to change the price. Let's say I say, well, the medium, you know what, it's instead of 10 euro, now it's 11 euro. So how do we do that? I will start from the start. First, you go to the product screen, which is logically because you're going to change the price of a product. So you go to the product screen, you search for the product, you just type it, okay, and you click on it, and just scroll a bit down. You have to go to variants here, Pizza Napoli, click it, and then you can change the price here like 11 euro. You can save it, save, voila. And now it's done. The price will be shown on the website. It could take like 1 minute because we have some caching on our web shop, but after 1 minute it will be shown. Of course, for this demo I changed the price, so I will put it back to 10 euro, which is the regular price. There's also a promotion price. Imagine I want like, hey, customers now they can pay 8 euro for this. Okay. That's a bit it. You can change the description of every product. There's a VAT class on every product. This is for your reporting, important for your accountant. So if you want to give a report to your accountant, just select the period that you need to report on to your accountant, and you can click either export or one of the 2 other buttons. It will create a nice Excel. All right. So is there anything else that I'm going to show you? So modifiers, I did create all the modifiers that you need. I don't think anything is needed here. Let's click on here. So basically you see all that extra garniture. I added all of them, quite a bit. If you want to edit or add, just click here, edit. If you say, hey, it's 2.5, okay, you can, like here, just save the changes. Not going to do it, otherwise I have to change it back. All right, so this is for the modifiers. So yeah, that's already quite a bit to start with, and I hope that's clear for you. Thanks.